Well, ganyan naman talaga, madalas naman mangyari yan, na may augmentation sa AFP. But let's be very clear, this was a police-led operation. It was a police operation. Kung ano man ang involvement ng AFP dyan, ay, as I said, augmentation. As you can imagine, all through these past months na, all the intelligence services were involved, both in the police, both in the AFP, even our civilian intelligence services. Kasama lahat yan para malaman natin ano yung dapat natin gawin and what are the movements that can be attributed to Apollo Kibuloy, Mr. Kibuloy. At yan ang, kaya naman may augmentation. Kung maalala ninyo, nung una silang pumasok, after 24 hours, 36 hours, hapong-hapo na yung mga pulis. So, ang ginawa namin, para marelyebo naman sila ng konti, ay nagpadala kami ng sundalo na AFP. That was what, about 2.5 weeks ago. Nagpadala tayo ng AFP para mag-augment, makapagpahinga naman yung mga pulis natin. But eventually, when that was okay, nung pwede na naman yung pulis natin, winidraw na naman natin yung AFP at ang pulis na naman ang nag-frontline. So, that's a standard procedure dito sa Pilipinas. Madalas naman talaga natin ginagawa yan. Well, I think what you all want to know, and let me take you through the timeline already, what happened here. Over the last 2-3 weeks, we have been getting messages and feelers.